President Ferdinand Marcos Jr.'s crackdown on flood control projects is facing fire. PDP Laban insists the administration is shielding bigger players in government and Congress and is demanding a no-nonsense probe that spares no one. Jason Rubrico for this report.
PDP Laban slammed President Marcos' order to investigate only big contractors in flood control projects, saying it's just for show. Deputy spokesperson Ferdinand Topacio said the probe should start with the Department of Public Works and Highways, or DPWH, as it is responsible for project designs.
More than the contractors, unang-una tignan po natin yung DPWH. Hindi po ba ang DPWH ang gumagawa ng disenyo? Hindi ba yung back nila, yung Bids and Awards Committee, ang nag-approve ng mga bids? Hindi po ba DPWH ang nagdedetermine kung completed yung project according to specifications? Why look at only the contractors? And why look only at specific contractors?
Topacio added that lawmakers allegedly tied to shady flood projects should not be spared. He also pushed for an independent commission through an executive order, suggesting Baguio City Mayor Benjamin Magalong to lead the investigation.
Nag-o-offer yung tao, bakit ni-reject? Natatakot ba sila na hindi kayang kontrolin si Mayor Magalong? Takot ba sila that Mayor Magalong will call it as he sees it? Gusto ba nila ang nag-iimbestiga? Congress, sila mismo Hindi po pwede. Kaya tama yung mga calls for an independent third party na mag-imbestiga. Ngunit, mukhang hindi sincere. Kaya po kami sa PDP, nananawagan po kami kay Pangulong Marcos, reconsider Mayor Benji Magalong.
Mayor Magalong earlier said he's ready to head the probe or testify in Congress if invited. He added that several mayors have evidence of widespread corruption, with some lawmakers allegedly acting as contractors to corner projects and pocket kickbacks. For God and my beloved Philippines, I am Jason Rubrico, SM9 News.